What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can actually withdraw from Hamster Kombat. Well, I'm gonna get to the straight to point. Unfortunately, withdrawing from Hamster Kombat is not possible. However, you just need to make sure you connect any of your wallet so that whenever it gets launched or it gets a real value, you get the real value from it. So how can you do that? So for that, you just have to come to Hamster Kombat and then launch it. Once you do that, this is what the Hamster Kombat will look like. Here on the top, you will be able to see a little icon right here. Just tap on this right next to this. Just tap on it. As you can see, these are my exchanges. Now, what does these exchanges means? As we know that currently we cannot withdraw, so why are we doing it? So whenever you connect your wallet to any of the crypto exchange, like we connected to crypto.com, it signs a contract. Now, as you can see, you signed a contract with crypto.com. Now, what does this mean is it means that whenever the coin will be launched, if the crypto.coms give it a value of like $3 or $4, they will be able to buy it for you. You'll be able to sell it for you. However, if you're not signed the contract at that time, there might be some different conditions. So just have a contact, just sign a contract just so that you don't have to worry about anything. So that's how I'll be able to link it.